Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to contact Easyjet Support. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Easyjet account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Easyjet? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type easyjet.com. Click on that and that's going to take you into the official website for Easyjet. Once you get into the website, at the top right corner, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And once you're done signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Easyjet. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to contact Easyjet Support. From your home screen, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have hello, you have help. So click on help, and now you have all of these categories from disruption help hub all the way down to facts that you can choose, and then you have the contact us option. So go ahead and click on contact us, and that's going to take you to the contact us window. So over here it says what would you like to know, so they can help you find what you need, but then you need to reach out to them personally. So over here where you have contact Easyjet, you should know that the quickest and easiest way to contact them is through online chat, and the virtual chat advisor and live chat team are available 24/7 and ready to answer any questions or queries you may have. So click on this chat to us button, and that's going to take you right into this chat to us window. So welcome to our virtual advisor. Thank you. To help you manage your bookings, please enter your booking reference before starting your chat. So enter your booking reference number in here and start your conversation. If you do not have a booking reference number, go ahead and click on I don't have a booking reference number, and it takes you to this window. So now, hello there, I'll do my best to answer any questions you may have. So go ahead and type in, let them know what you want, and they're going to help you in any way they can. So this is pretty much how you can contact Easyjet Support. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.